I have a huge announcement before we get started today. It's huge, and I'm so excited for it. You're gonna have to wait till the end of this video to hear it though. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie. If you guys are new here, that's who I am. If you're not, welcome back. I am in my unfinished studio today, and I'm gonna give you guys a update on like some of the projects we've done at the end of this video. So I'm in the studio right now, in the filming part, and it's cold, but it's okay. It makes me awake. All right, it is Monday morning, which means I am updating you guys on new things, fun stuff that is going on in the Auntie Tay world. And we have a new SVG bundle designed by moi. I've been wanting to come out with these for a while. They are, because Valentine's Day is in a couple weeks, couples inspired princess and prince shirts that are very trendy, like so cute. Things that you would want to wear not just to Disneyland. Things that are so fun and might get your mans to want to wear matching t-shirts. You guys know that my family used to go to Disneyland all the time when it was open, and my biggest thing I was finding was like, I really want to make boy and men t-shirts and SVGs that they're kind of more happy to wear rather than like our families are forcing them to wear matching t-shirts. So we're gonna start with the couples, and then I'll slowly roll out some more stuff for you guys to do, like families, all the dynamics, you know, BFFs, whatever it is. So those are out. We have like 6, I think, princess inspired ones, princess inspired ones, and then a John Smith one because I thought it was cute. 50 pack sticker paper is here. You guys wanted it, and so we did it. And again, if you guys want me to also release a 100 pack, let me know in the comments below, because when you guys say jump, I say how high. What even more of you guys have said is that you were sad that tattoo paper left, and tattoo paper is back. So it is back, and I can't wait to see what you guys do with it, because you guys do epoxy tumblers and things like that far more than I do. If you guys want bigger packs of the tattoo paper, let me know. I remember those sheets that we created, the PDF Disney sheets. Bam, they're the best things ever. Tattoo paper's back. Get tattooing, all the things. Bubble journals are going to be 50% off for my members forever. There's a Bujo code on the Craft Day membership page. And also, Valentine's Day is coming up. I know we released a ton of Valentine's stuff last month, but don't forget that we have a ton of Valentine's stuff for you guys to use. Tap into all of our Valentine's love SVGs and create, because we want to see what you guys are doing. All right, are you guys ready for the studio update? We have done a little bit. Everything's kind of waiting on one more thing, but let me just show you where it's at. It's kind of crazy. That's why I decided to show you guys just like the backdrop is just, what is it? I'm not sure yet, but it's getting there, and we've made some progress. So here's the studio and what it's looking like so far. I obviously have some work to do. We're doing a paper crafting series, so we're making a bunch of stuff with paper, and I'm just gonna deck those out for each series so that the backdrop matches whatever we're crafting. We've got some things that we're moving around. I got all these from IKEA, and I put casters on them so I can roll them around. That is my life right there. I did get this on Amazon, so we will talk about that in some Amazon lives on the whatever. It's in my Amazon store though, so if you're already going over there for the announcement at the end of this video, that's where I got that. And I put an IKEA top on it so that it's kind of bigger. All right, here's what this space looks like. So I got 2 more of these guys and put them on casters from IKEA. And then hack, I got countertops for the top of them so that they're nice and sturdy and heavy, and they're big, and also I can move them together in the middle of the room for a big crafting table. I am living for this. So cheap, so easy. That thing is $70. That thing I think was $70. And then the casters I think were $20. So you could do that whole setup right there and have the mobile desk, and it's amazing. I will link the casters in my Amazon Amazon store. And if IKEA is out of these, which I had to have these delivered, I'll also find similar ones on Amazon as well. And we started taping off this wall. I'm not gonna go into detail on what it's gonna look like. I think you guys will be pleasantly surprised though. Don't make any assumptions yet. It's gonna look amazing. We did pick something for this wall, which is gonna come out, and I'm gonna show you a close-up of what this wall looks like because you might not be able to see it. And this might give you a little sneak peek of what's gonna be happening on this wall, but I still don't think you guys will fully understand until you see it in progress. So every Monday I will do an update. I also have a huge announcement. Are you ready for it? I am actually going to pause going live on YouTube at all indefinitely. I don't know when I'll be back live on YouTube, but you can hang out with me at least 4 times live in February and 4 times live in March on Amazon, my Amazon store. I will post the schedule as soon as I come up with one, but I am now an Amazon live influencer and I am so excited. So I've got some really awesome content planned for you guys that I think that you guys are going to love. We're gonna be talking about sublimation. We're gonna be talking about Cricut blanks. We're gonna be talking about organization, things that I love and suggest. But guys, I'm not gonna just QVC you guys. I am going to actually be crafting with you guys over there and making fun things and doing all the stuff with you guys instead of just like, look at all these things I love on Amazon, buy them. We're gonna do it an Auntie Tay style. It's not gonna be any different than what we already do. We're just gonna talk about fun things and craft and make, and it's gonna be all with a lot of really cool stuff that you can use Auntie Tay products with Amazon products. And I'm gonna be dubbing in a lot of those tips and tricks for wholesale and all this stuff that you guys are gonna want as business owners if you're a business owner. If you've been missing our Zooms on Wednesdays, you make sure you're joining us because we are doing topics every Wednesday and they are on point. We have been killing it. If you cannot make it though, I upload it to the Zoom Hub. So there's that. So I love you guys. Thank you for joining me. I will see you guys on YouTube with lots of series and fun things we do in this space. But more importantly, if you want to hang out with me live, go to amazon.com/shop/Auntie Tay. There's links in the description, links all over the place to get to my Amazon store, and follow me there. And if you follow me, it'll let you know when I'm live. And I'm so excited for it. I can't wait to do it. So I will see you guys over there and I'll be in the new studio and all the things. And thank you again. I'm not going to do it. Just thank you. I love you guys for being members. I love you guys if you're not a member. Would love to have you as a member. Goodbye.
Lucky, lucky, lucky me.